What is the disarray of the Republican Party this morning, and who are you watching to lead the Republican Party to the promised land?
Well, look, we're now in week 2 of a scandal that has engulfed the West Wing and has really it circled around Chief of Staff General John Kelly. Now, the White House is saying publicly that they're sticking by General Kelly. But look, I mean, they have not been able to move beyond this. I'm quite surprised at how long the story has dragged on. And I think that this is a White House that is eagerly looking for some type of new story to latch onto. And so, you know, I'm hearing rumblings that they're anticipating that to come in the second half of this week. But look, the drumbeats and the speculation around General Kelly, they just keep going.
Yeah, so Kevin, can John Kelly stay or not?
Well, you know, if you talk to General Kelly's orbit, they say that he's going to stay. If you talk to aides on Capitol Hill, if you talk to former staffers, all of them are speculating in what's really like a Game of Thrones type of political atmosphere that, again, I haven't covered since, you know, I think back to when Comey was fired and all of that speculation. And I think back to Mooch. I think back to Reince Priebus days. It's eerily similar right now. So, I mean, look, just the other month they passed tax reform, and you kind of felt that there was this maturation of sorts, whether or not you agree with this administration. But all of that, I have to be honest here, in terms of my coverage and what I'm hearing, I go right back to those more chaotic days in the White House.